Thanks for stopping by and checking out another video. Today we got a road service call. Got a 2016 Chevy Express van. Customer complaint: the HVAC blower doesn't work all the time on all the settings. So it's going to be one of two things. It's going to be the resistor or the switch. I'm betting it's going to be the switch because it's working on, it's intermittently working on all the different settings. So if it was the relay or the resistor, I'm sorry, it would be either only on high, or you would lose a couple different settings. So I did get a switch panel module, they call them. So we're gonna go and diagnose and see if we can get this thing fixed for them. All right, y'all. Here's what we got going on. Like I said, they said the AC blower, a HVAC blower, only works on high. So if you guys can hear it, it's blowing on high. We got nothing. So, all right, y'all. Seeing that last clip there, I was messing with this this button here. This is the blower controller. I could get it to work intermittently, so that is bad. Now, these are real easy to replace. Over on the passenger side there, you got to take the knee bolster out. There's two 10mm head bolts there. Down here on the kick panel, the knee bolster and by front of the driver, there's also two 10mm. Just pop the clips off, and then you go around and you pull this whole dash panel off. You gotta put it down into low gear, drop the steering wheel all the way down, and then it'll come up out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll bring you back when we're alright, y'all. There's the one bolt there. This is the passenger side. There's the other one right there. Just pop them two out, and like I said, this knee bolster here will pop right off. So I'm gonna get them out of there and we'll get that pulled off. Alright, y'all, we're over on the driver's side. There's the one for this side there, and the other one's right up in there. So we'll pull them out and get this panel off. Alright, y'all, we got those panels off. Got the steering wheel turned down. Got the gear selector down in the low range. And just reach up, grab hold, just gently pull. Now, you don't have to take it all the way off. Just got to get it up enough that you can get in here. And there's one bolt over on this side. That one right down here, right there, and it's a 7mm head, and I use a wobble extension, long wobble extension on my impact, and just take it out. So, all right, I'm gonna get that screw out of there, and we'll bring you back when we're putting the new one in. All right, y'all. I didn't video showing taking this actually out, but there's just 4 plugs. There's 2 here, 2 here. Just be gentle, pull the little clips out, pull them out. And then there's a vacuum, 2-line vacuum line here. That's your supply for your vacuum. And then there's a round plug here that has a bunch of vacuum lines on it. And there's 2 little tabs on each side. Just spread them out a little bit, and that will come right off. Easy peasy. And like I said, this side has a hook on it. You just hook it in and then put the screw in there, and it's all done. So let's go look at the finished results. All right, y'all, there's the finished product. She's in, and everything works. You pull it up on the, I ran it through all the controls there, works and everything. Blower's on low, medium, high, works good. So customer's going to be happy, and get them back on the road. So there you have it. All right, y'all, there you go. Changing the blower control module in the 2000, I want to say it goes from 2004 clear up to 2022 or 3. It's all the same dash air. Pull everything out the same way. So real easy to do. Don't pay a garage to do it. You know, you have no more than a half an hour in doing this. So that's taking it out, taking all the panels off, putting a new piece, taking the old piece out, putting a new piece in, buttoning it all back up. Just be careful when you're pulling them plastics. Make sure it's kind of warm. You don't want to do this on a really bitter cold day. There are a couple of clips in the middle of that plastic down by the radio control. You can pull them right out of the plastic. It'll bust a hole right in the plastic. So, but yeah, it's super easy. So hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. Leave me a comment down there and tell me if you liked it. And Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come hang out. We'll have fun. And that's all we got for now. So appreciate y'all watching. And remember, keep wrenching.